Okay, you guys, so I am making rotel after work today. I decided to make something warm and comforting, so We're having rotel dip today, so I'm just going to go ahead and do it all in one pot. I'm going to take this ground beef that I got from King Soopers. It is the 80/20. It is a pound, but also I have a pound of meat that I cooked and had froze, so I'm going to add that with it once this is done. Okay, you guys, this is the beef that I had cooked too much of when I made baked beans for my husband's job. So I just froze them and let it thaw out this morning. I'm going to add it to this, let it get warm, and then I will add my tomatoes and my cheese. So now I'm taking 2 cans of the original diced tomato with green chili. And now I am taking my diced up Velveeta cheese block. This is the large block. I went ahead and diced it up off of camera. So we're just gonna stir this every now and again. I'm going to be adding some milk as well as this type of cheese as well. The Bertilli Alfredo cheese. Yes, so good. Or you can use cream of chicken. I don't have any cream of chicken, so I'm going to use this. So I added a cup of milk to this. I'm going to shake it up and we're going to pour it in there. So from this point, I'm going to go ahead, stir it up and put the top on it, and then I will keep coming back to check on to make sure that it's not sticking. So I'm going to change the settings on my crock pot / Instapot by Ninja. I'm going to put it on slow, but it's going to be on high so that it can go ahead and melt, and then I can show you what it looked like and plate it up. Okay, y'all, I want to show y'all these mini caramel custard crunch donuts. They are so good. We get them from Safeway. If you like caramel custard, you're gonna like these, especially if you like it on donuts. So if you have like a Safeway or some other type of grocery store, see if they have these and check them out. And if you do check them out, please let me know, because I want to know what you think about them. But they are really good. Okay, y'all, so I am done with the rotel. It is really hot right now. So what I would normally do is put it on top of the chips, but since I want it to be like we're eating, you know, having to be able to dip it out or whatever, I'm going to put it in a bowl. And that's what it looks like. But it will thicken up after. It'll thicken up after you let it cool down a little bit. These are the chips. These are really good. You can pick them up at Safeway, Walmart, or King Supers. But probably any grocery store have them, so you'll just have to check and see. Here is our rotel and our chips. And this is dinner for Friday night. Okay, you guys, this is how I did mine. I don't eat too much of this because of the tomatoes. They're so hot and they give me heartburn. So this is my plate. The first plate I made was for my husband. He's outside working, so I just gave him some for now, but when he come in, he can get more. And then I made my son plate as well.